Hello again. Those of you with farming interests in Spain and Portugal may be interested to know that there was quite a widespread frost last night. In fact, down to -5 in Madrid. Real penetrating cold at the moment, though, across much of Central Europe. Frost continuing, overnight frost that is, across Spain through the coming week. But watch to the northwest here as things change. Much milder weather spreading in across the British Isles and into northern France towards the latter part of the week and into the coming weekend. Now we're going to find southwesterlies coming in to bring in that milder weather, but in the meantime we've seen some heavy rain from this weather front as it's come southwards across the country during last night and through today. That's going to move on, gradually weakening overnight, but the next system getting wound up across the Atlantic, bringing in southwesterlies, and then a band of cloud and rain moving southwards across all areas as we go through Tuesday. Some of that rain actually turning out to be quite heavy. High pressure then building across again, particularly into southern areas by the middle of the week. The second half of the week, though, a bit of a problem at the moment. It all hinges on just how much development we see on this weather system, and that has a knock-on effect on the timing of the next lot of rain and milder southwesterlies in across the British Isles in the second half of the week. We're fairly confident, though, that we are going to see further rain across northern England and much of Wales through the rest of the afternoon. A little bit of sleet and snow over the high ground on the leading edge of that to start with, and as that narrowing band of rain comes further southwards, you may well find a light covering of snow across parts of Lincolnshire and the East Midlands by the end of the night. A frost again over East Anglia ahead of that narrowing band of rain. Touch of frost under the clearing skies across northern England and Scotland as well. Through tomorrow, still quite a bit of cloud around, I think, across the Midlands down into the southwest. Very little rain left on it by then, so tending to die away, and finer weather to the north, bright, a few sunny intervals coming through, and with generally lighter winds. The next system, though, is quite an active one. You can see quite a few isobars there, so some strong winds beginning to come in from the southwest through Monday, and then that band of cloud and rain giving some fairly heavy rain at times, I think, across many areas, pushing down from the northwest during Tuesday. So there's that cloud and rain, particularly heavy, I think, over western coasts and hills. All areas seeing that rain, though, by the end of the day. A mixture of sunny intervals and showers beginning to follow in behind, and some of the showers turning quite wintry over the northern mountains. A little bit of a respite generally, I think, through Wednesday, particularly for more southern areas, generally dry here. A little bit of overnight frost, though, with the clear skies. That'll gradually clear away during the early part of the morning. A fair number of showers, though, coming in across in the north. Then, as I say, eventually some milder weather beginning to spread in from the southwest. Current predictions bring that in later on Thursday and through into Friday. That's the weather.